Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol BBIG because this thing has been ripping and I'm expecting a good move because this Friday they have a catalyst and also I'm expecting some nice run up this coming week. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, resistance, important price level which has to be maintained at the same time short interest ratio, cost to borrow, option chain activity and many more. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Discord for daily trade ideas. So first of all, you can see that last Friday, BBIG was down only by 1.5% and after hour down by almost 2%. But if you look at last 5 days, you can see a nice run up. Each day it has been going higher and going higher. So it was around $5 beginning of the week Monday and it ended the day at 8.23, almost 3 point up. So very nice action and it's an uptrend, so very exciting. And before that, you know why there was a big run up from here to here? Because Seeking Alpha, they came up with a price target of 40. I'm not gonna argue, I'm not gonna say anything 40 is possible or not, but anyway, that was a news that came on October 14th and the price started going higher. But what is important, look at the date, October 22nd. So the record date for shareholders to receive tied share on or about October 22nd. So this is an important date and I think this is coming next week. So this could be a catalyst for this coming week. By the way, if you want to trade and you want to get a daily trade ideas, then you can just join my Discord. You can see some of the things on Friday. We alerted something and high of the day you can see the percent gain you can make on BBIG, NE, Pro, BTBT. If you want this kind of alert or something, join my Patreon community, join my Patreon, join my Discord, get access to my trade ideas each and every day, more pre-market and during market hour. At the same time, let's make money. If you do not have access, you can also join my YouTube community. You can just click on the join button. You can member, get trade ideas. So anyway, let's go back to BBIG. So first of all, this is the chart and we know how wide it can move. At one point, you see here, right in September, it was around 3.35, went all the way to 12.54 times, right? Went up, came down, all the way to below $5 and now it is going higher. So very exciting because the current price level, you can see that we are hitting a resistance around this area, which is around $9. If we can break, we will go higher. So I will talk about the support, resistance and many more. Before that, let's see something else. So on Friday, the trading volume was 139 million. The average volume it was traded recently, it was 45 million. So you can see 3 times more volume came on Friday. Very exciting. If we look at the volume and the price action, the blue line is the price, the yellow bars are the volume. You can see when volume came, the price went to $10, $11, volume died, price came down, and recently again volume is coming and the price is going higher. If the volume can go to 200 million, 300 million like last time, I think the price will spike again. Looking at the option chain activity, you can also see people are loading call volume, 79% call volume. So they are loading because they think this will go higher. If you look at last 5 days of trading volume, you can see, or maybe I'll just move to 1 month. You can see the volume, this is a daily volume, the volume is on an uptrend. So the volume is going higher, the price is going higher. And in that case, if there is a very high short interest, we know what is the next result. So if I go to Fintel, you can see that the dark pool short volume ratio is 53%. If I scroll down, the most important thing is the short shares availability is 0. So there is no shares are available to short. Very exciting. If you go down, you can see each and every day, almost like 50% shares are shorted, and the last day, Friday, 53% was shorted. So I went to Reddit because I do not have Ortex, so I go there just to get some information. You can see that the current short interest ratio is 25%. This is really high. Most importantly, the cost to borrow is 268%. This is really high. So whoever is shorting, they are paying a lot of interest. So as long they will be holding it, they have to pay more and more, right? So this is a very exciting thing. Look at the short interest. You can see it has been climbing up and currently it is at 25.25%. Very exciting. I will also talk about the option chain activity, but before that, let's jump back to the price action. So first of all, you see came down, going up. Now, if I look at this area, this is some important area I want to talk. Maybe I'll just extend. So what I'm looking here, so first of all, it needs to hold the 7.9 level. Why 7.9? You see 7.9 was a support in this area, it was a support in this area. Then why, when it came down, this area became a resistance, right? But this time what happened, it broke through. Suddenly big volume came, it broke through everything, came down, and it is staying over 7.9. As long BBIG is staying over 7.9, very bullish, because then it will be the new support for the next leg up. So if you are planning to enter, you can have a limit buy order around 7.9. If it comes down, you can always put a stop loss around 7.7, 7.6, up to you where you will put the stop loss. But you can enter here thinking that it will hold this area again, then it will run towards $9, $10 and more. So this is one important area I want this. And also you can see a box here I drew, because this is another area I want BBIG to hold. If you look at the chart here, right, this is the top, which is around $9. So here, if you do not think about the week, maybe I'll just come back here. So look at the $9 area. Last time it tried to break in this point, $9 couldn't break, came down. Again it went up, it tried to break $9, couldn't, it came down. Also on Friday it was trying to break $9, it came down. So the very important area is it needs to break $9. Once $9 is broken and more volume, I think it might go up, might be a pullback. And if you see it goes up and there is a pullback to $9 and 9 becomes the new support, then it will run towards 10.5 or other areas. You can talk about 10.5, or maybe I'll just bring this around 9.76, because I see a gap here and I'm just taking the candles here. So see the gap between 9 and 9.7. So once it goes over $9, I think this gap will be filled. After 9.7, there are more rooms to go for 10.7, 11, 12. We can talk. But if you look here, the overall picture, look at the area here, right? $5 area, it found a support. After 5, it went up around 6.5, it made another support. Then the next support is around 7.9. If 7.9 is maintained, the next will be around $9. Once 9 is maintained, it will go higher. So one thing is, if we see more volume and it is going upward step by step, this is really a good thing, because each day it is making a higher high, which is really good for the stock. So we need volume and we need to have a nice price action going upward. One other thing, if you're day trading, then definitely you need to know about the support and resistance. So you get low and you sell higher. If you're a swing trader, then again you are just holding it for some week. At the same time, if you're a long-term investor, then you don't care if there is a dip, you just buy the dip, you just hold. So this is how I'm gonna bring BBIG to all of you, day trader, swing trader, or even long-term investor. Each person has his own style, so it doesn't hurt if you're day trading. It doesn't mean you are a bad trader. So anyway, I'm leaving that to you. Now let's go back to the option chart activity. First of all, the option that expired 15th of October, you can see lots of volume, 7, 7.58. These are now all in the money, right? So they will be exercised, and once they will be exercised, there will be more buying pressure. Now it has a high short interest, 0 shares available to short, at the same time more buying pressure. So that is why I'm very bullish. Yes, we had more volume here which are now worthless, but it doesn't matter, it's still a lot of shares. If I go to the next weekly option expiry date, which is 22nd of October, you can see still lots of call options are in the money. Look at 8.5, 9, 10 strike price. Lots of volume is still sitting here. Looking at the put versus call volume ratio, you see the number of call option versus number of put option. So very exciting. So if you just want to play BBIG thinking about 22nd of October, you can always get in with a call option. You can go with, let's say, $8. You just buy one call option for $112. As long as it goes higher, you make money. Or on the other hand, you can wait for a pullback. If it pulls back, then you buy the same option at a cheaper price. So this is how I'm gonna play. If you want longer expiry date, maybe a monthly expiry date, which is 19th of November, you can see more interestingly lots of call options for 16 strike price, 15 strike price, 12 strike price. So these people are betting big. Yes, these call options are not very expensive, but a lot of call options are still waiting. So you can buy a long expiry call option. In that case, there is no less risk because you have more time to expire. You can make more money when BBIG will move, but you can see how people are betting. If I go down, same thing. So anyway, this is the call option side. This is your share price action, support, resistance. So again, it depends how you want to play. Look at the daily chart. Look at the massive spike in volume, came down, and again volume is coming. Instead of day, if I go to a weekly chart, look what happened, right? We had more volume, came down, but the last week you see a big green candle. So more and more volume is coming. Very, very exciting. I can't wait for Monday morning pre-market, and this is how I want to play. If there is a pullback 7.9, this is the area I want to get in again. If you are holding for long term, definitely you will be happy because the price is going higher. At the same time, if you're a day trader or swing trader, you have shares, you have options, so let's make money together. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to get daily trade ideas, pre-market and during market hour, I invite you to join my Patreon, become a Discord member, get access to my member chat, daily trade ideas, support, resistance, and many more. And let's make some money together. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.